Joint Secretary for Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, J.V.K. Jindal says State Mahud Department has failed to produce utilization certificates of 27 crore rupees. And Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren says government will carry out mass tree plantation drive in 267 villages of Ukhrul district under Green Manipur mission. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Wushang with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Joint Secretary for the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, J.V.K. Jindal has stated that the State Mahud Department has failed to produce utilization certifications of 27 crore rupees out of the total 38 crore rupees sanctioned under the Swachh Bharat mission of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. He was speaking at the one-day regional workshop on Swachh Survekshan 2020 organized by the Mahud Department at City Convention Center in Palace Compound today. V.K. Jindal stated that the state government has already withdrawn 38 crore rupees out of the total 45 crore rupees sanctioned by the Center for Swachh Bharat Mission for 2014 till March 2020. But the government has failed to produce utilization certificates for 27 crore rupees, thus hindering further withdrawal of fund. The Joint Secretary instructed the state government and the Mahud Commissioner to look into the matter and to send proposal and utilization certificates on time. V.K. Jindal lauded the State Mahud Department for all its undertakings under Swachh Bharat mission in the state but expressed disappointment over waste segregation and plastic management process. He also stressed the need for scientific disposal and treatment of waste. V.K. Jindal also urged the stakeholders concerned, including local urban bodies and political representatives, to strive for obtaining open defecation-free plus ranking status for Manipur.
Out of 54 crore, we have not been given the utilization certificate for 27 crore. So only 25% of the funds have been utilized. I request the Government of Manipur and Principal Commissioner Urban Development, Government of Manipur to look into these aspects and send the proposals along with the utilization certificates on most priority, because all the funds would be automatically come to an end after 31st March 2020. We can't wait for the development of the Manipur. Safai Karmachari are those persons, not only which are our in the regular rules, but also to two type of persons which are collecting the waste from home to home, sweeping the waste, or the rag pickers. All persons who are directly, indirectly are connected with my garbage are the Safai. They may be all your contact workers, they may be your regular role, they may not be at all your connected, but they are your Safai Karmachari, because they are picking the waste which you are generating, which you are not, which you hate to touch after it is being thrown.
Taking part in the event, Mahud Commissioner Mongjam Joy stated that the state government has initiated various measures to safeguard and keep the environment neat and clean. Asserting that the Mahud Department has launched a plastic ban campaign, Mongjam Joy urged urban local bodies to follow the guidelines given by the ministry. He maintained that people of the state, political leaders, bureaucrats and officers are equally responsible in keeping the state neat and clean. State Mahud Director T.H. Harikumar, top officials of the ministry and members of urban local bodies took part in the event.
Cleanliness work is a continuous process as long as we are living in this universe. So at least we should do cleanliness activities at our household 15 minutes at least one day, so that we can pull up our neighbor or our seniors and everybody maybe take part in cleanliness works. Most of the health problems has come up from those things, solid waste, which should not be thrown at any place. So we should try to collect all those things and keep it.
Over 1,000 people raised their grievances to Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren during the combined Hills Leaders Day and People's Day at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Chief Minister Biren, along with Green Manipur Mission Ambassador Valentina Ilangbam, also distributed tree saplings to visitors on the occasion. Speaking to media, Chief Minister Biren declared to carry out a mass tree plantation drive in both the hills and valley regions of the state under Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission. He disclosed shows that the Forest Department has already signed an MOU with 267 villages of Ukhrul district for carrying out mass tree plantation on around 5 to 10 acres of land. Biren added that the government is setting up open gyms in the area. He also assured that the government will facilitate cultivation of various fruits and crops to poppy farmers as an alternate to illegal poppy cultivation. Asserting that government along with CSOs will also carry out a mass tree plantation drive at the origins of rivers, Biren mentioned that experts will be consulted for plantation of cannabis plants without harming the environment.
Ukhrul gido huji moi ga MOU me inasiana Forest Department ga kana tawnari maram di huji ki 5 to 10 acres su moi na ki bana forest wera ka da koi government na laugi ka rai na ki ba ado akoi na no jungle semkot lu hai bani hai ba pot land gi status su di noi gi khun gi authority gi noi gi chanabi adu gi status dum lai gani koi government na jungle lore na khon loction bai khosan bagi pot lai te adu government gi lammi wera ka na government gi du moi ni haidana da mai ta gona moi ga khoi ga agreement ama inaraga khun chani ga humpu taret identify tawre madugi post ko sathari aduna green manipur mission si masi yam ka hena mai pa na sathari haita.
Responding to Impact News query over halting of works under the Nambul River Rejuvenation Project, Chief Minister Biren stated that dredging of the Nambul River is ongoing. He asserted that the work started utilizing funds sanctioned for the first phase of the project, which is worth 100 crore rupees. He assured that 15 crore rupees will be sanctioned for the second phase in the near future, and further works of laying drainage pipelines from Iroshemba to the Nambul River will be carried out. Biren stated that completion of the project will take some time as works will be carried out from Iroshemba till the Loktak Lake. The Chief Minister said that additional funding will be required to make the project full-fledged and that the whole budget might even cost around 500 crore rupees.
100 crore muki project ni ahan bagi se ado continue tok doini 500 crore muk total gi akoi adu maju thare ministry na suma du khana ge hare ba maram di mate kilometer manga taradang tawro ya adamina loktak phang ne koin tawning se adu gi photo another 500 crore magi ko proposal thare aduna first installment crore ani hum thadar photo madu gi hogre huji second installment ngi ngana ingonda paulak pada 15 crore ma koi keno tawre na release tawre ne na admai lai aduna.
Responding to Impact News query about the recent statement of NSCN-IM General Secretary T.H. Muiva over possible problems in the finalizing of the Indo-Naga peace talks between the Indian government and the NSCN-IM, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren asserted that the state government has nothing to comment on Muiva's personal opinion. However, the integrity of Manipur should not be affected in any manner. Chief Minister Biren also assured to end the land controversy of Manipur House at a Red Land Laitu Mukra in Shillong, where Maharaj Bodhachandra signed a Manipur merger agreement with the Indian government on September 21, 1949, without further delay. Biren said state officials will be sent to start renovation of the historically significant site soon after the controversy ends.
Moigi flag ki natraga constitution ki adugi demand do the madu aigi forum natre madu I comment people pinning there. Aduga ekhoi gi di khoi state sigi di am very clear Manipur gi oiba part area oigera anything amatu sokwe aroi Manipur tongana dum ekhoi gi oiba like any territorial boundary integrity aduga administration sidaida madu gi decept we aroi have stay in ekhoi gi am clearly lai.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren's claim that price of indigenous rice grains has increased due to less production. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has claimed that price of indigenous rice grain has increased due to less production of the rice variant. Speaking on the sidelines of a floral tribute-paying ceremony at Shamu Makong of Kweramban Market today, on the occasion of the 103rd birth anniversary of Pandit Dindayal, Chief Minister Biren stated that price of Meitei rice has reached up to 50 rupees per kg, as paddy farmers have opted cultivation of other paddy varieties which are more productive. Chief Minister Biren assured to look into the matter at the earliest.
Food grain taseng na heraga dakoi na ngasi phangise koi 17-18 gini last year da koi na makhal makha gi machinery tools sinaraga adagi agriculture gi lairiba park sana maru marang gi andana khotna tawgiba madugi fall in lawi handak si laibak thibadi akhoi drought thoe ko su akhoi nahan akhoi haiba dumaina akhoi 6 crore ma already akhoi thadokre rabi crops ki da anuba se senya phau ya dragadi kari gehu thagadra natragana kari makhal makha thagada gi haiba du akhoi pa crore taru ko ma thadokre nong khara lakpanina loinamak lokpa yadabadumadi tawroroi khara gaidi lokpa yagane na khalli stena drought lok thokrabnina center gi team amusu yangsinba laagani aduga madudagi center dagi phangba compensation khara dune aduga atai khoina su ji yam kanna maru manang gi thana ba langnari haitare.
A combined team of Moray Commando and 12 Assam Rifles arrested 3 drug peddlers at Kudeng Thabi in Technopole district yesterday. The miscreants are 32-year-old Helkogin Mate, son of Onkulan Mate from K. Molsang village near Moray College, 36-year-old Hokolet Tauthang, son of Helkem Tauthang, and 19-year-old M. Pius Zamkhomang Mangchong, son of John Janglet from Jaunumnaum village near Kudeng Thabi. The team seized 50,000 world-is used tablets, 1 black-colored and 1 red-colored TVS scooter and torque, and 1 black-colored Kenbo bike without registration number, and 3 mobile handsets from them. The miscreants were handed over to Moray police station for further actions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi shared his thoughts on Mahatma Gandhi at a program hosted by India in New York this morning. Prime Minister Modi, along with others and world leaders, also inaugurated the Gandhi Solar Park at the UN headquarters and released a commemorative stamp issued by the UN on the occasion of Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary. The Prime Minister said the platform is a living example that Mahatma Gandhi was from India but did not belong only to India. He said even those who had never met Gandhiji were deeply influenced by his life. The Prime Minister said Gandhiji had stressed on the real strength of democracy. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres and a number of heads of the state were present on the occasion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred the Global Goalkeeper Award by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched by his government. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Joint Secretary for Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, V.K. Jindal, says State Mahul Department has failed to produce utilization certificates of 27 crore rupees. And Chief Minister Nongkham Biren says government will carry out mass tree plantation drive in 267 villages of Ukhrul district under Green Manipur mission.